Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. My name is Du Hao, the leader of Team 8. Today, let's learn about digital emotions, how emoticon influence trust, relationship, and clarity in general communications. Let me introduce my teammates. In our group, we have Du Hao, Farah Afikwa, Farah Nashua, Fatin Aya. Today, I want to talk about something we use in our daily life. Emoticons. We are part of General Z. We grew up with smartphones, social medias, and texting. That means a lot of our communication is now done online, not face to face. But when we text, something is missing. Facial expressions, tone of voice, and body languages. So, how do we show emotion in a message? One answer is emoticons. Our study explored how emoticon usage affect online trust, relationship quality, social interactions, emotional expressions, and emotional clarity. We focus on Malaysian university students, and we found that emoticon play a very important role in how General Z communication digitally. Let's look at what the private study and our review say. Emoticons are not just a fun image. They are tools for non-verb communications. Research shows they can make text message feel more emotional and personal. When we use smiling face or sad face, we help others understand the emotional tones of our message. We found from documents that emoticons improve online trust, let people feel others are more friendly, strengthen relationships, especially when used from friends, help express different emotions, like when words are not enough, increase emotion clarity, when means people can understand and express their feeling better. We also learned that emotional clarity play a mediating role. It connects emotional use to other emotion and social outcomes. To test our ideas, we create a survey. We send it to 155 Malaysian university students from different universities. Most of them were female, grade between 20 and 22, and studied for a bachelor degree. We asked them about how often they use emoticons, how emoticons help them express feelings, how they feel about their online relationship, support, and trust. We use a 5-point Likert score, and analyzing the data use SPSS software. We measured emotion clarity, emotion usage, online trust, and all the variables. This method helped us find real patterns in how students feel and communicate. Now, look what we find. First, emoticon usage strongly affect emotional clarity. People who use more emoticon are better to understand and expressing their feelings. Second, emoticon positively affect online trust, social interaction, and the relationship quality, perceived social support, emotional expressions. Second, emotional clarity also directly improve their four things. That means people which high emoticon clarity will have trust more, communication better, feel more support, and express emotion more clearly. In table 2, we see the descriptive statistics and the correlation values between all variables. First, the Combach alpha value are all around 0.8, which means our survey items are highly reliable. Second, the correlation between emoticon usage and emotional clarity is very strong, R equal to 0.616. This is statistically significant at p smaller than 0.001. It means that students who use emoticon more often tend to have highly emotional clarity. They can better understand and express emotions online. We also can see stronger positive correlationship between emoticon usage and emotional expressions, social interactions, perceived social support, and online trust. These numbers tell us the emoticon use is deeply linked with key parts of healthy and effective digital communications. Let's look at table 3. The table shows how much emoticon usage influence each factors. As you can see, the highest impact is on emotional clarity, followed by emotional expressions, social interactions, trust, and support. It tells us that when students use emoticons, they feel more confident expressing emotions and understanding others. That's why emotional clarity is so important. It leads to better trust, strong support, and deeper relations. Now, let's take a closer look at the emotional clarity, not just what it received, but what it gave back. After emoticon usage increasing emotional clarity, that clarity become a strong drive of other important outcomes. Based on our regression results, emotional clarity has a strong effect on emotional expressions, a powerful influence on social interaction and relationship quality, a meaningful impact on perceived social support, and a significant role in building online trust. So, in simple words, when students better understand and express their own emotions thanks to emoticons, they also become better communicators, more trusting, and more supported in their digital lives. Our data also showed that emotion clarity acts as a bridge, helping emoticon influence emotional outcomes even more. So, what does it all mean? It means the emoticon are powerful in communication tools. They help us feel closer, more supported, and more expressive in online space. In general, the digital world, where we text more than we talk, emoticons make message warmer, uh, reduce misunderstandings, and help build emotion intelligence. Also, emotional clarity is very important when we understand our own feelings and their feelings. We become better communicators. In short, use of emoticons plus emotional clarity equal to better conversations. So, next time you send a message, remember that little image might say more than you think. Thank you so much. Here's our reference. If you have any questions, you can leave in comment sections. Thank you for your watching, and I hope to see you again. Goodbye.